If you are still scrambling to find last-minute gifts, we have some ideas for the fitness fanatic in your life. Melissa Groton from Make It Fit is here now with a great gift basket under 25 bucks.
That's right. Any budget, you can do a fitness gift basket. So let's start with the jump rope. The first thing we have in here is a jump rope, and jump ropes are great for cardio conditioning. Okay, they get the heart rate up, they burn calories. You can bring them anywhere. You can jump rope anywhere. They're so convenient. And the best part is the price. You should never pay more than $10 for a jump rope. So this one was $8.
Now, how do you know if it's the right size for you?
When you step in the middle with one foot, you should hold the handles up, and it should come right to your underarm, right here. If it's up here, it's too long. If it comes to here, it's too short.
Okay.
So that's how you know with your jump rope. The second item we have is, let's talk about our fitness ball. In this box is a deflated fitness ball, a pump, and a manual telling you how to use it, okay?
These are wonderful. You can do so many different things on them.
You can do so many different things, but we do find in the fitness industry that people are afraid of the ball, too.
Really?
They are. So I always recommend starting just by sitting on it. All you need to do is sit on that ball. It's going to improve your posture, and you're going to fire up all those core muscles to prevent back injuries, to help your abs, tone, everything. Great for core strength.
You know what's a good idea? Some people actually replace their desk chair with a fitness ball, and so they get work done and exercise at the same time.
They do, and again, it's working that posture because you can't slump over on the ball. You're going to fall right off of it. And you can pay $50 for a ball. There is absolutely no need to. This under $10, okay? I've even seen them as low as $5 before.
Wow.
So nothing fancy.
It's not going to pop when you sit on it, will it?
No, it shouldn't. It's anti-burst.
Okay, even the $5 ones?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Then we move into, I threw a magazine in here. It adds to the basket, $3.99, and you can customize to whomever you're giving the gift to.
What I love about magazines like this is that it gets you motivated. If you're kind of in a slump, it gives you some new ideas and gets you, nutrition ideas and all of that. It kind of keeps you going.
There's always great tips, and if you want to increase the value of the basket, you throw a whole subscription in there.
Very nice.
Then we have some bars in here. Always put food in a gift basket. People love food. So I've got some all-natural, healthy nutrition bars. They barely cost anything, $1 or $2 each, so you can throw those in there. And then we have our freebies. So we have a water bottle and a bag. These bags with yes.
Those are
great. How many times do you run in races or do you go to trade shows and get these for free? So you just keep them and you throw them in your gift basket, and it adds to the value.
That's a great idea. You get them at the good races. That gives out good goodie bags.
That's right. So this whole thing under $25, you can increase the value by throwing in like an iTunes gift card or a gift certificate to your local health club, anything. So it really works for any budget.
Fantastic. Nice job, Melissa.